Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Trisha Creativemind Creations. Oh gosh, sorry guys, I've just been feeling bad lately these last few days with this headache. Just not wanting to leave me alone. I suffer from chronic headaches and migraines, so this one I've had for the last few days is being stubborn. Once I feel better, I think I'm feeling better, then I'm not, so I'm sorry if I feel like I am not up to par, because I'm not. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you a package that I just got in the mail from Lillian Hoert. I hosted a swap on Facebook and Coffee Cake and Crafting, Tiffany McGill's group, Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss McGill, here on YouTube. Again, she's out of commission for swapping and crafting because she's in the middle of a move and all that. So a couple of us have did some challenges and swaps in the group while she's out of the crafting loop. So anyway, I got my package today from Lillian. Again, I hosted a swap for Christmas in July Embellishment Box, and she was my partner, so she should be getting mine today, and I got hers. So this is the package that I got. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what I got. I'm loving this box, and so far this is the last box that I am up for receiving at the moment, because I haven't did any more swap. This is the last time I did as far as embellishment boxes. I plan to finish one that I started that I haven't finished yet. I have to finish that one off. I don't know if I'm going to do a giveaway or swap or whatever, but I know I'm going to be doing one soon for Halloween. I'm going to be doing an embellishment box for Halloween. So this is some stuff that she sent. What is this? Wait a minute. Ugh. Okay. I think. Ooh. These are. I think these are for the new craze that's going around, the AT coins, like ATC cards. These are for coins and what I'm understanding now is that they are supposed to be 2.5 inches, but these are 2 1/4. Oh well, I can still use them though. Well, those are pretty. They're Christmas. I think they're Christmas. Yeah. Those are pretty. And she did a little bit of embossing or something, or she put them through some kind of crimper. So you can send them back with some of them are crimped. It's pretty. Well, she printed that paper out. I'm going to come back to the box. Let's open up the little extra little goodies first. And I got this. Oh. Glitter Merry Christmas. It's pretty. And some snowflakes. Let's see. Yeah. Some snowflake stickers. Those are cute. And I think there's something else. I don't know what happened to this box, but it just got all whatever. Okay, and here's another package. Let's see what this is. Oh, look at this glitter foil bag. That is pretty. Ooh. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little notepad. Miscellaneous Christmas notes. That's cute. And oh, Christmas cards to send, gift checklist. This is neat. Little printers, because these will go great in a TN. That's neat. Those will come in handy, because I'm always making lists like this. I make lists for Christmas, so that help out. A lot more neater than the way I do it. I just get a piece of paper and just write lists out on what I'm going to do, you know, get for certain people, this, that, and the other. Okay, I think that's all of that. Now let's get to the box. Wait a minute, let's get all this out of the way. And now, over here. to the box. This is it has come wrapped. This is a card. Let's go ahead and pull that off. That's pretty. Send a note. And the bottle glasses cover the Christmas punch. Oh, thanks, Lillian. I like this snowflake. That'll come in handy. Use that or something. I love this gold paper, tissue paper. Let me see if I can open it without ripping it. It's coming out pretty good. Oh, this is like washi, like that. Okay. Now this gold paper. Oh, I love the music paper too. And there is the box. And I already knew what it looked like because for my swap, you had to post a picture of your box before you could get a partner. So that's one way that you can host a swap and not have to worry about somebody flaking or not sending out or whatever. Because like if you don't get us, you don't send a picture, you don't get swapped. So that's why I did this. So this is what she sent. Another one of those gold glitter Merry Christmas she put on the box, and a gold wreath bow. It says memories, and die cut believe with some bling in the middle. Some paper there. It looks like she spray painted the box. It's gold. It's pretty. And paper there. Some pearls there, right there, and lace. You know, she put paper down, then put lace over that. It's pretty. I like gold. I wasn't a gold person, but I know all about gold now. I used to buy all about my silver. So this is the inside. She stuck snowflakes on the inside. It's pretty. Okay, let's get to the compartments. And she sent some bag toppers. Cute. Because I don't have a bag topper die, but I did make my own bag topper SGB file on my Cricut. So those are cute. It's Christmas. It looks like all of our Christmas. 2 of each print. Now I got hiccups. Pretty. Thanks, Lillian. Those will come in handy. And then here's some more die cuts. I think she said in a little note that this was a die cut from Tim Holtz. These are cute. These would be cute for when I do the embellishment box, but embellishments on this one. This is neat. I like that die. It's cute. Oh, those are cute. A little phone, die cut phones. Oh, there's another one. I like those little jingle bells. It makes a jingle. Oh, those sound so, yeah. Jingle. I like that. And then in this compartment, in the little bag here, there are some die cuts. Look like wine glasses and bottles. Oh, those will come in handy. Those are cute. You can easily use those for Christmas or any holiday or even New Year's. Well, I don't want to take them out. They're die cuts. They'll be fun to play with. And some bead caps. Yay! I thought I had some. I can't find them, or I don't have them. I thought I did. But these will come in handy. Bead caps. Definitely going to be using those. Neat. And some snowflakes. These can be used as shakers. Cards, tags. Those are cute. Golds and silver, like craft paper, or is that the back side? Yeah, it's the back side. They're all silver and gold. It's just the back side that looks like that. I like that paper. Okay. And then these are a lot of beads. Pearl beads. Plastic. And this is pretty. That's a blingy bead. I like that. That was black. There's another one. Oh, yay. This is champagne color bead, an iridescent bead, another gold one, silvers. Oh, yeah, I like that. Gonna have fun with those. And some clothespins of different colors and sizes. Greens, red, gold, silver, black. These are gonna be fun to play with too. Some I don't have to paint already. Haha. Ooh, and I like this string of bling. Ooh, I like them. It's gonna be fun to play with. Ooh. And this looks like bias tape. Ooh, that's pretty. Gotta find something cool to use that on. But this bias tape with crochet on the edge and red and green. It's a little bit wider. Huh. Gotta find something to use that on. That's gonna be fun to use. Now, let's hold this up right. I'll probably be doing some embellishments on this tomorrow before the grandkids get here, because as y'all know, I can't get anything done when they're here. Oh yeah, and we also had to make 3 handmade embellishments. So I'm thinking these are the handmade embellishments that she made out of bottle caps. It's pretty. Like she punched paper from image from paper, and she put it in one of the acrylic dome things in the middle. That one. Oops. Let's jump on my hand. There's another one. That's pretty. That's all gold. These would be cute to hang off of a and this is just one of those metal tags. She did the same with both sides of this. That's pretty. Those come in handy. And then some bling, red and green bling, and some silver bling. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun with all of this. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to be doing a video or making some embellishments out of this box. Okay guys, now like I said, I'm going to be making some boxes for Halloween, probably another one for Christmas when actually Christmas comes around, most likely. But yeah, thanks again Lillian for this beautiful box. Can't wait to play in it tomorrow. I'm going to be making embellishments with it. And thanks everybody for watching, liking and subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you all commenting and liking my channel and subscribing and everything. So y'all have a crafty day. Bye.